Hello guys again. This is Miss Zaira, and I'm gonna show you how to work with the foldable you have in the math book, okay? Where you have to cut your clock, which has the times. We have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 again. And we have two arrows or two hands. They are called hands in the clock. Okay? We have one that is longer, remember? And one that is shorter, that it's this one that's blue. Okay? So first of all, I want you to look at the numbers, and I am gonna put little numbers under each number. For example, every number is 5 more minutes. It stands for minutes. So in the 12 is 0. And the number 1 stands for 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 5, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and again the zeros because it's another hour. So the numbers tell us the minutes too, but I'm gonna show you how. So the long arrow, the longest arrow, goes from the middle and points to one number. For example, here I'm gonna point to the 4. And the long arrow, this arrow, is going to tell us the minutes, the little number. So this is 20. It's telling us 20 minutes. And the short line is going to be pointed to another number. For example, the number 10. Number 10. There you go. So if the short arrow is pointing to the number, it's going to tell us the hour, the time. The time is 10:20. Okay? So right now is 10:20. The time is 10:20. If I move the minutes to the number 7, for example, and this to the number 1, remember the short is going to tell us the number that is there in the clock. So here it's telling us that it's 1 with how many minutes? 35 minutes. So we have 1:35. The long line, it's for the minutes. So the long line, the long arrow, show us the minutes, which is the little number that I put. And this shows us the hour. Okay, minutes, an hour. Okay, so tell me, for example, if I put the minutes in the number 9, showing us the number 9. And the hour, I am going to be pointing the number 5. What time is it? The hour is pointing to the 5, and the minutes to the number 9. What is the hour? Which is the hour? What time is it? The hour is 5, and the minutes are 45. So right now, the clock is showing us 5:45. 2:45. Okay? So right now, I want you to play with your clock that you have, your paper clock, your foldable that's in your math book. You're gonna cut it and make the clock work. And I want you to show the times I put you on the list. And if your mom or your dad is there with you, ask them to ask you to show a time in the clock. Okay? I want you to play with it. Okay, for example, look, right? I want you to show 2:20. 2:20 o'clock. Okay, 2:20. Where is my 20? Where is my 20? Oh, here is the 20. So the minutes have to be to the 20, to the number 4. Okay, so here I have 2:20, okay? I want you to play like that, show different times in your clock, and we'll see you soon, okay? Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye.